Tropical forests are in the tropical wet climate group because almost all of the rainforests lie near the equator. The temperature in tropical forests range from 68 degrees Fahrenheit to 93 degrees Fahrenheit. The average humidity is between 77 and 88%. In addition, it rains over 100 inches a year.
The tropical forest biome has an interesting geography where it is on the globe. It's mainly near the equator, and that is because that has a more hot and humid climate. The tropical forests tend to be really wet, really humid.
In order to adjust to the environment, the tropical rainforest plants have had to make certain adaptations. Mangrove trees grow in wet, muddy soil which can be subject to tides and flooding. In order to support themselves, they develop aerial pitchfork-like extensions from their trunks which grow downward and anchor themselves into the soil. Some plants are adapted to obtain nutrients from animal matter. The Venus flytrap can grow 30 feet tall and may have pitchers 12 inches in length that are usually full of digested insects. Lastly, bromeliads are found in the forest as well. They have thick, waxy leaves that form a bowl shape in the center in order to catch and store rainwater.
So 3 animal species that live in the tropical rainforests are the king cobra, the land sloth, and a dawn bat. King cobra, and they also have a hood that they put up when they feel threatened, and a venom that they can spit at their prey. The dawn bat has a long and slender snout with a tongue to pick up pollen. The land sloth has algae grows on the fur of the sloth and gives it nutrients as it licks the algae.
The human impact on tropical forests is unrelenting yet thorough. Some examples of human impact include deforestation, mining, pollution, hunting, and fires. When humans affect the forest, they leave behind a degraded environment. Part of the reason that the environment is affected is because it is very hard for the government to regulate the forest, and there is a competition for resources.
Climate change especially has an effect on the availability of water and carbon dioxide. And one example of the effect it has had is the amphibian and reptile populations have decreased 75% between 1970 and 2007. And it's also similar with other species where their populations are decreasing because of the changes. It also means there's lower rainfall, lower soil moisture, and greater seasonality or more extreme climate conditions.